morning students. In the previous class we completed the divisions. Today we are doing that one exercise 2G, that is representation of rational numbers on a number line. So the first question is given 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 we had to represent on a number line. For that number line we know that one, this rational numbers is not having starting one and there is no ending one, like integers. So write that one, pluses are there, minuses are there, we have to understand. So draw a line and put it down 0, take a little much gap, put 1, take little much gap, put minus 1. 0, 1, minus 1 we have to take. After taking this, what we have to do that once? That is 2 by 3. The 3 denominator, this is called integer number line. On integer number line we have to make it that as rational number line. The integer number line will make as rational number line. How to make it as rational number means the denominator indicates that 3. So the 3 markings we have to take. We have to take 3 markings. This is 1. So according to that one we have to take that one. How many? What is the given denominator? According to that one, that many lines we have to draw between the two numbers. So this is 0, 1, 2, and third line is 1. 0, 1, 2, and the third line is minus 1. Now what we have to indicate here means 2 by 3. 0 after 2 lines count. 1, 2. This line indicates 2 by 3. This line indicates 2 by 3. Like this we have to do that once. I will say that one example, you can understand. So here is the next sum, minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. Each and every sum we have to do like this only. First middle one we have to keep it 0. Take the little much gap, put it 1. Take little much gap, put it minus 1. Now what we have to mark? The denominator is 7. The denominator is 7. So mark 7 lines between these two numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the biggest line is 7. Back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the biggest one is. Now we have to mark that one minus 5. That means on minus side 5 lines. This is 7 indicates the small lines. This is 7 indicates small lines. The numerator 5 indicates that how many lines we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because minus side we have to count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is minus 5 by 7. We have to indicate like this number line. We have to indicate like this number line. Another example, see here. Here is another sum, that is minus 23 by 5. We have to indicate 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4. So here, see once. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line is that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. So this is about this numbers. First one is we have to indicate the numbers on the number line. Fifth line is minus 4. Afterwards, so arrow mark. Count that 23 on left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are having only 20. We want remaining another one. That means increase one set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line is that one. So 20 up to here 20 we got. 21, 22, 23. So this is minus 23 by 5. According to that one, we have to increase. If 23 is not there, 25 we want, you have to increase this side. We have to increase this side. If 40 is given, like that 40 markings, you have to mark that once. Another last one example for this one, another sum, that is another sum I am doing that once, minus 12 by 5. So here also we have to indicate 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. Now I want to indicate 12. So which side I have to indicate? Negative side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got only 10, but I want 12. So increase that number to 2, 3. So increase that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line is minus 3. Now I want to indicate 12. 12 after 1, 2. This is minus 12 by 5. Like this we have to indicate on number line. The numbers we have to indicate on number line. Like this. This is the rule for to do this sum. With this sum, our second chapter is completed. Next chapter is fractions. What are called fractions? How to do the fractions? Now listen once. So fractions. What are called fractions and how to do that fractions? Then what are fractions and how to do that fractions? Having one numerator and denominator is called a fraction. That means like this you can say, but it is a fraction is a part of whole. Is a part of whole. A fraction is a part of whole. From the whole thing onwards we are taking the fraction. There are different types of fractions. First one is proper, improper, fraction, mixed fraction, decimal, like, unlike, unit fraction. Proper fraction. What is called a proper fraction? Having the numerator and denominator is called a fraction. It is a part of whole. Numerator is small and denominator is big. That is called proper fraction. Numerator is big, denominator is small. Denominator is small. It is called improper fraction. What is called mixed fraction? It is a combination of 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2, an integer, and with the improper fraction is called mixed fraction. Improper fraction 7 by 3 is called improper. 5 by 7 is called proper. Denominator is big, proper. Denominator is small, improper. Combination of these two, mixed fraction. Decimal means which is in the combination of multiples of 10. The denominator should be consisting of multiples of 10. 23 by 10, multiples of 10. So that is multiples of 10. Like fractions having same denominator is called like fractions. Unlike fractions, not same denominators are called unlike fractions. Unit fractions which are having numerator is always 1, numerator is always 1 is called unit fractions. These are about the fractions. In this class we are doing the fractions about the same like rational numbers. We are doing that one, multiplications and reciprocals of a fraction. What is called reciprocal means already in the previous chapter I said. Reciprocal means inverse, taking of reverse. That means 5 by 7 will become 7 by 5. That is called reciprocal of a fraction. Using that fraction forms we will do that next chapter, that is chapter number 3. Thank you for today.